So from many kinds and Filipino, India, and even here in the Philippines. In Australia, it's correct slot. Okay, let's go, Bennett. Now parents are intelligent. They can remember even the slightest and smallest detail. They use the skill in the wild to find food and shelter. Okay, last shape, Bennett. There you go, intelligent round. A round of applause for our green wing macaw, Bennett. Do you think Goldie has ability to find that hidden object? If it's a yes, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie. Again, you can do it, Goldie. Alright, Goldie, find the hidden object for us. Where could it be? Goldie searching, scanning each cup, using her psychic power. There you go, she found it. A round of applause for our second bird, Goldie. The equation for us. There goes. Now picks up the first number, number 2. So is the first number correct? Alright, now complete your answer please. Up to the second number. Okay, there you go. 13 plus 10 is equals to 23. A round of applause for our great mathematician, Snow.
Sana all.